10 amazing egg tricks. Now this first one is a little bit of a gimmick, but if you're having trouble balancing an egg, you can just put a little bit of salt on the cutting board and then just balance the egg on that. And if you want, you can blow the salt away and it will look like you've balanced the egg on nothing. Now this is a system to remove the egg shell from your egg. Just tap it on either side and then roll it, and then the egg shell just peels off super easily. I know some of you have probably had pesky egg shells out there. This will help you. Now, this next one you're going to need some beetroot. Basically, we're just going to extract some juice out of the beetroot. So we're going to blend it up and then we're going to press it through a sieve or something to remove the juice. Now, I'm going to take an egg and I'm just going to separate the yolk from the white. I'm going to add the beetroot juice to the white, plus a little half a teaspoon of vinegar, a little pinch of salt, and then I'm just going to whisk that up with a fork. Now, after you've whisked it, there might be some bubbles. I recommend you remove these so it cooks more evenly. Okay, now to cook this, you're going to need a pan. You add a little bit of oil and you take a heart-shaped mold and add a little bit of aluminium foil to make sure it doesn't melt. Then you place your pink egg in there and your yolk back in there and you cook it, and there we go. Pink egg heart, perfect for Valentine's Day or any other day you want to impress a loved one. Now, this next one is just a simple scrambled egg video so that you know how to make scrambled eggs, just in case you don't know. You add 3 eggs, a little bit of pepper, a tiny bit of salt, some milk, and then you just whisk it up. Now it's super simple, everybody can do it and enjoy some scrambled eggs. Now you add a little bit of butter to a pan, place your mixture inside, and then you're just going to want to keep it on low heat and keep stirring it around until it becomes delicious scrambled eggs. Enjoy. Now, have you ever had this problem when you have some eggs in the fridge and you don't know how old they are? Put them inside some water and the ones that are fresh will sink to the bottom, but the ones that are not will slightly tilt up or float to the top. Now, this is another method to remove the shell from eggs. Just cut it in half and then just scoop out the egg. There you go. Simple, effective, perfect. Okay, for this next one, you're gonna take a slice of bread and just cut a hole into it, place it into a pan, then add an egg into your hole. This is called toad in a hole or egg basket. And then just flip it over once it's cooked. And there you go, a delicious, simple breakfast treat. Just a different way to enjoy your eggs in the morning. You know, it can get boring sometimes. This makes it a little bit more interesting. Now, for this next one, you're gonna take a bell pepper and just cut out a ring shape. So here, I'm gonna place it into a pan, and then I'm gonna add my egg into it. And then I'm gonna cook my egg inside a vegetable ring. Now you can do the same with different color bell peppers or some onion rings, whatever you like. Have you ever wondered which one of the eggs is cooked and which one isn't? Well, a raw egg doesn't really spin, but a boiled egg spins around really quick. So if you're ever confused, you can just spin them around and you'll know. Now for this last trick, I'm going to separate the white from the yolk. And then I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella grated cheese and some herbs. You can add whatever herbs you want into your cheese egg white mix. And then I'm going to place these into a pan. So here I'm just going to add a little bit of butter, melt that. Then place my egg white mixture. And then I'm going to add my egg yolk back. So this makes a very interesting sunny side up egg that's much more tasty than your normal sunny side up egg and looks very interesting too.